Ready? Start. Under the Bharatmala project, construction or upgradation of about 35,000 kilometers of national highways is to be undertaken by 2022. In addition, under the Sagarmala project, a network of good quality roads is being constructed in coastal areas and areas adjoining ports. Along with the highways, government is also working extensively in the area of railways, airways, and inland waterways. Under the Udan scheme, air connectivity to smaller towns is being expanded rapidly. Under transport infrastructure is being created to cater to present and future requirements. While developing infrastructure, attention is also being given to addressing the challenges posed by pollution. My government is developing a transport system which is not only fast and safe but is also environment friendly. For this, special emphasis is given to public transport. Metro rail network is being expanded rapidly in several cities. The facility of One Nation, One Card has been launched to realize the dream of seamless mobility. Similarly, electric vehicles are being promoted to reduce vehicular pollution. The network of electric charging stations is also being expanded rapidly. Modern amenities like gas grid and highways are being developed at a rapid pace. PNG-based domestic fuel and CNG-based transportation systems are being developed. In modern India, we are according to special emphasis on production of biofuel. Prior to 2014, about 67 crore liters of ethanol was being blended. This year, we have set a target of about 270 crore liters for ethanol blending. Enhancing the use of blended ethanol will not only benefit our farmers but also safeguard the environment. Further, it will reduce import of petroleum products, thus saving foreign exchange. My government is fully devoted to make the flow of Ganga uninterrupted and pollution free. Recently, encouraging evidence of revival of aquatic life at several locations along Ganga have been reported. This year, during the Ardha Kumbh in Prayagraj, the cleanliness of Ganga and amenities provided to the devotees have made news throughout the world. My government has enhanced the dignity and self-esteem of every person who contributed towards the successful organization of Ardhkum by honoring them. Under the Namami Gange scheme, my government will further accelerate the campaign for closure of drains releasing effluents in the river Ganga. On the lines of river Ganga, the government will also endeavor to clean up other rivers such as Kaveri, Periyar, Narmada, Yamuna, Mahanadi and Godavari. My government is making earnest efforts for conservation of forests, wildlife and the environment. In recent years, forest and tree cover has increased by more than 1%. During the last 5 years, protected areas in the country have also increased. In 2014, the number of protected areas in the country was 692, which has now gone up to 868. To address the challenges posed by air pollution, National Clean Air Program has been started in 102 cities. Solar energy plays an important role in reducing the adverse effects of climate change and global warming. Proactive efforts of India have resulted in the formation of the International Solar Alliance. Through this organization, India is contributing significantly to the development of solar energy in the developing countries of the world. Space technology plays a central role in improving the lives of the common man, providing early warning of impending disasters, identifying location of natural resources, providing signals to various means of communication, and ensuring national security. It is the endeavor of my government to maximize the use of space technology for human welfare. Several facilities such as roads, houses for poor farming, or equipment for fishermen have all been linked to space technology. Space technology has helped us in further strengthening our security at land, air, and water. Our expertise in accurate weather forecast has improved. This was evidenced during the recent cyclone Fani that struck the eastern coast of the country. Due to accurate information and timely preparation, large-scale destruction to life and property was averted. India is marching forward to assume a leadership role in unraveling and comprehending the mysteries of space. Our scientists are involved in the preparations for the launch of Chandrayaan 2, which will be India's first spacecraft to reach the moon. We are also making rapid progress towards achieving the goal of sending the first Indian in India's own Gaganyaan by 2022. During the Lok Sabha elections, the country attained another milestone, which, however, did not receive as much attention as it should have. With the successful testing of Mission Shakti, a new dimension has been added to India's capability in space technology and security preparedness. For this today, I once again congratulate our scientists and engineers. The role of technology in the field of security is expanding consciously. Keeping this in view, work is in progress to establish three joint service agencies for space, cyber, and spatial forces. These collaborative efforts will strengthen the security of the country. New India is rapidly moving towards occupying its rightful place in the world community. Today, India has acquired a new image, and our relations with other countries have become stronger. It is a matter of immense pleasure that in 2022, India will host the G20 summit. The world community enthusiastically supported India's proposal to declare June 21st as International Day of Yoga by the United Nations.